A thumbnail is the first thing that people see about your YouTube videos. So it should be unique, attractive, and inspire people to click and watch your videos. So, in today's video, I am going to show you how to create amazing thumbnails using Canva. Canva is an amazing tool that you can use for your graphic needs. It has a free version and paid version. While free version is enough for a certain level, pro version will be idle if you constantly create visuals. I am using a paid version, and let's see how to create a thumbnail easily and quickly. First click Create a Design button, and then search for YouTube thumbnails. Then you will get a screen like this. This blank canvas is where you can show your creativity. The beauty of Canva is, you don't have to be a pro designer, you can use already created templates. Click Design in here, and you will see a bunch of amazing templates. You can search for relevant templates using this search bar. For example, let's find templates related to a food. Just type food in here, and you get thumbnail templates like these. I am going to use a template like this one and show you the steps. First click the template take it to your canvas. Now we can adjust these according to our channel brand. You can put your own image here if you like. I am going to use an image from Canva. Click Elements on your left-hand menu, and then type what you want in the search bar. I will use this image. As you can see, this image has a background. Now we can remove the background using Canva itself. To remove the background, you have two options. You can use the BG remover or the magic grab. First click on the image and then go to Edit Image. Now you will see BG remover option. Click on it, and within a second it will remove the background from your image. If you use magic grab option, it will separate the person from the background. You can either remove the background or use it. I personally prefer magic grab option. Now you can type anything on your thumbnail. To get a new text, click Text and add a text to type. You can get fonts from here and do any changes to your texts. Now if you want to change the background, you can either put a color like this according to your preference, or you can put an image as the background. In Elements, you can search for background images and click the one you like, then click this three dots and click Replace Background option. Finally, you can click this Share button, click the Download option and download your thumbnail. Make sure to select JPG or PNG file type. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.